So you've got a Chipolo POP tracker and you're wondering how to change the ringtone on it. Let's go ahead and show you how. So on your phone, go ahead and open up the Chipolo app. And you'll need to select your Chipolo device here. I've got my POP, so we'll select that. And this will open up all the settings in here so you can scroll through. And right down here it says change ringtone. So choose your favorite ringtone. We can go ahead and select that. And there's quite a few options in here that you can select from. So the default one, you can just tap on them and they'll play. There's some Christmas theme ones here. So Deck the Halls, Merry Christmas. So pick the one you like. I'm going to go back to the default one here and we'll just go ahead and hit set. And it's going to start installing that. You can play tic-tac-toe while you wait. Hopefully I don't lose here. That was a tie. And now it's installed. So you can go ahead and hit ring here. And it's going to start ringing it with the new ringtone. Hit stop ringing. And we can X out of here. And if you wanted to change it to a different one, you can. But really it's that easy to change the ringtone here on your Chipolo POP tracker.